from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. We gon' see.
Valentine is coming. Where is your win? No.
Where's your what?
Your win.
Where's your what?
Win.
Oh, the win. Okay, so
Come here, go win.
you hope that you'll win.
Valentine
Guys.
is coming. Where is your winning?
You know, guys, maybe for Valentine's Day, maybe I'll just give to Brian with the opportunity to win a challenge. What you say?
I don't want no sweets.
I think that will be the best Valentine gift for him. Because, you know, you can't do it by yourself. So, you know, got to help you. Welcome back, guys, to another Step from the Cups. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you're not going to win. That's how it goes. Anyway, welcome back, guys. Thank you so very much for joining us for another episode. Welcome to all our tenants in the building, to all our permanent residents, all our citizens, you know yourself. Welcome back to another episode. And of course,
Team B Sizzle in the building.
to all our new subscribers, welcome, guys. Thank you so very much for hitting that subscribe button and being a part of the Cuff Links family.
Right.
Happy to have you.
So here is how it is going to go. Questions have been sent to us via WhatsApp from Rensken, and we've been asked to answer. So we have our answers here. You're going to hear the questions. We're going to tell you what the other person would answer saying.
Yeah.
At the end of it all, Brian will be the winner. That's it. That's exactly how it's going to go today.
Or so we think.
Yep.
Or so we think, guys.
It's a new year. This is our first challenge for the new year.
Yes. No, we did the blindfold challenge.
This is our first real challenge for the new. This is where it's really going to start.
Okay.
And I'm putting away the past defeats.
Okay.
Watch me.
Okay. So this is the not so newlywed game.
7 years on the trot.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're not so newlywed anymore.
Yes.
You know? So
we'll see how much we can get right. And, you know, let Brian go on boasting and whatever. Hopefully,
I know my wife.
I know my husband.
We'll see.
Let's hope that he didn't think too hard and made the questions, you know, not what they
We're not even going to get one round.
All right. Let's go. All right, so Rensken is going to ask us the questions and we'll have it up on the screen.
Make sure you tell the truth.
What? Yeah, I will. Make sure you tell the truth.
Always.
Always, babe. You know how we do.
Well, no, me and my teammate to hear boom face one.
Okay, so Ren will do it alternately.
Okay, so rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
All right.
Best of three.
Best of three? Rock, paper, scissors. So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, best of three. Rock, paper, scissors.
No, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, I don't know. Me's not a foreigner. I don't know these things.
7 years, me I try to teach her.
All right, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One for me.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Good for me. We had some paper come around.
Oh. All right, whatever. I don't know how this game go. I only know how to win real challenges.
I won the challenge. I won the toss. And I'm inviting you to go first.
Okay.
Okay. Basilia, we'll start with you. So, I'm going to read the question now. Name, don't put up the answers as yet.
Okay.
Name something Brian can't go all day without. Mr. Cuff, you're going to answer first.
Food.
That's your final answer?
Yep.
Okay. Bass?
I had his phone and water.
My phone, like, please.
Really?
Like, please.
Babe, food is a
Water.
given.
Water.
And you can go a day without food.
I have had so much water throughout my whole life. I don't need to take any more for a day.
Okay. But food is a given.
That is my answer. That is the truth, and that is my answer.
Okay.
Alright.
My turn.
Next question.
Oh, she just doing all of hers. All right.
Next question.
Okay.
So she gone.
0. Okay. Yes, Brian. 0.
What does Brian love most about himself?
The truth.
What do I love most about myself?
Yes.
That's such a vain question, and I'm not vain.
It's not vain.
love,
It's what you.
I guess my personality and how I love people, my heart. I don't know. I guess I love the type of person that I am the most.
What you love most about yourself? So my answer was his so-called bow legs.
I like
Which
my
is
bow legs,
true.
but I don't love my bow legs above everything else. When I'm just going to walk, I'm look good. Look good. Yeah? I'm a little
You must be something on Ben, so.
a little bow legs thing, you know? So
All that is answers. Anyway, next question.
Okay, next question. What movie would Brian say best describes your marriage?
And babe is what you say, not what would I say. Okay.
A. Beauty and the Beast. B. 50 Shades of Grey. C. The Notebook.
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. Yes.
Ain't no notebook around here. 50 Shades? What, Renskin?
50 Shades of Cough.
Listen.
Yes.
Not because it's Valentine's. Behave yourself out there.
Next to a gone one.
Okay.
That was easy. That was a giveaway. Renskin gave her an easy one.
Renee didn't know this. Anyway.
Next question. How do you know when Brian is in the mood?
For what? Food? Sleep?
For the do.
Football?
For the do.
Watching TV?
For the do. How do I know?
When I'm in the mood? What do I do? Just tell you, babe. I don't know, probably
What do you
make a
say?
move. We make a move. I can't say what I say. Don't do me that.
What you do?
Don't I say?
Alright, what's your answer?
You know what it is.
What's your answer?
I
What
make a
you
pass at you. I'll make a pass at you. You know, probably. You know, give you a little pat. You know. Oh.
My answer is he starts to draw closer to me than normal, or says.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
So did
She's
I-
correct. She's
okay,
correct. She's
okay,
correct.
thank you. He has a specific thing that he said. We can't share it on camera. Team face, I get red.
Okay.
Next.
Question. If Brian could have any job and money was not an issue, what would he do?
Any job in the world.
Money is not a problem.
Probably work at CNN or BBC, some sports. Probably work at the World Cup. Some sports related big leagues type of question. Or be the next Tyler Perry. Or something work with Tyler Perry.
Okay, so my answer was he'd probably be a movie writer.
Okay. Alright. And the final question. How will Brian complete this sentence? My spouse has more blank than anyone else.
can't say it on camera, but she has more, I guess, a mixture of heart, energy, support, excitement, extra, several things. So any one of those. Yeah, she's quite a character, and she loves people more than anybody else. So
My eye full of water. Hello. So I have. It used to be shoes, but not anymore. So I say heart.
that is true. When I met her, oh my goodness.
So I got it right.
Yes.
Oh. I got that right, guys. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6.
Okay.
Started off so nicely with none.
We're moving on.
Yes.
Watch this now. Team B sizzle.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1.
Yes.
What word would Basilia best use to describe you?
To describe brand,
She would say,
I must
Oh.
answer
She's gonna
first.
answer
Oh.
first.
Let's say handsome or I'm a good husband.
mine, my good husband, but me not right, so I don't talk like that. So I said mine. It's the same thing. Well, that. It's not the same thing. It's the same thing. Mine. My good husband is mine.
No.
It's the same thing. That is exactly
Babe,
what
I said
No, you
handsome or I'm a good
Yeah,
husband.
but no, me done then. Because of that me mean. That way right, my good husband is
Why?
mine.
No, but you are supposed to write what I would say.
But it's the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
Alright. We're done. Go on. I lose energy now. Heartbreak.
You lose energy when you're losing.
It's mine. It's the
That's
same
not-
thing. That's
no,
exactly
babe.
the thought that I have.
So why didn't you write
Because I'm
it?
not gonna write my good husband.
Because no, but that's how I would talk. So you should have written it.
It does not mean the same thing.
No.
What do you mean? Mine. It's the same. Bria will tell you that's
Next
a possessive
question.
pronoun.
Next question. That's not what I would have
Alright.
said. I wouldn't say mine.
Judges?
Judges, please leave us in the comments if you think mine is equivalent to handsome or I'm a good husband.
Not handsome, my good husband. You said or.
Next question. Who was Basilia's celebrity crush growing up?
Little Bow Wow, you just don't know the way you move so fast across the floor. I know you run through my mind like all the time. Represent that. That's what you have? Little Bow Wow? Yes. Correct.
2 right.
No, babe. 1 right.
Okay. Next question. What movie would Basilia say best describes your driving? A. Fast and Furious. B. Driving Miss Daisy. Or C. Crash.
Fast and Furious, definitely.
Definitely not crash.
Definitely not Crash. What do you have?
A.
Fast and Furious, yes. Correct.
I don't drive fast and the furious, but it's the best of the
It's the
three.
closest, yes.
Okay. Number 4. What would Basilia say is the worst thing that happened on the wedding day?
Are we getting personal or just general?
On the wedding day, I think it means not necessarily whole day, but just the day.
Just the
And not
wedding
what
day
I
itself?
would say, what you would say. And you always say it, so if you ever change it now.
Okay, it's between 2 things. But the one that I'd probably say is between 2 things. All right. Okay, on the wedding day, my dress couldn't fit me. Mommy had to sew it up on me. So
That's one. What is the other thing?
That the limo driver lost with us?
Yes, that is the one, right? Getting lost. The wedding dress. You always talk about how you got lost
Yeah.
and how the man drive past. The
Yeah,
wedding
that's
dress was
true.
not such a big, it's so ample.
Well, that's true. Okay, alright. Yeah, I know it's one. I'm not trying to tease you, babe. But I know it's one of those two. Yeah. Next question.
Next question. Would Basilia prefer to watch A, an action movie, B, a horror movie, or C, a romantic movie?
Definitely a romantic movie. Brian knows this.
See.
Yes, a romantic movie. Definitely. I'll watch
She
the
watch the
action
action movie
movies.
because I'm
yeah, but I love chick flicks and romantic movies.
Okay. And the final question. If Basilia won $500,000, what would she spend it on?
$500,000?
Jamaican dollars.
First thing I ask is US or Jamaican, but continue.
What would I spend it on? $500,000 Jamaican. I'd spend it on the girls. I'd buy stuff for them, for the girls. That's the first thing I'd probably do. Buy stuff for the girls. Buy stuff for the house. Buy clothes. So my answer is the first thing that I would do if I won $500,000 was I would spend some on the girls.
Now, before I even hold up my paper, I am going to say I told you I would not get one wrong. So you see, even though the first one, I'm sure everybody going to say yes, boss, give him, it's the same thing. Bam. First thing, the kids. Secondly, us. Thirdly, the house, clothes.
You're right. Congratulations, Brian. 5 out of 6 and 4
6 out of 6. Watch the comments. Everybody are going to say, yes, boss. My good husband is the same thing as mine. At last, my winners come along.
Guys, this was my Valentine's gift to him.
And my losing days are over. And life is but a song.
No. All right. Congrats, babe.
When you lose, it feels good.
It must feel good because you've lost so much.
Bringing you the fire, fun, inspiration, real, and we're educating you. And I won this one, and I'm gonna win everyone. I won, and I'm gonna.
You're done?
Cheer while I look.
So guys, congratulate Brian in the comments, please, because y'all know that he rarely and seldomly
I'd like to
wins.
thank God. Let me be humble let me be humble after all of that. Let me be humble. I'd like to thank God. If it wasn't for him, I would not have been here. To those members of the academy who voted for me, to my mother, to my girls, this one was for you. To all the B-Sizzle fans out there. I remember when we were down in the pits.
You're
but
still
we've made
down
it.
there.
We're now at the top, and we ain't gonna look back. To the person who came second, God bless you.
The person don't have a name. What is?
Roll credits.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us for this not so newlywed game. Brian is the winner, and as a good sport, I'll say congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it while it lasts,
Thank you,
because
thank
it's not so often, so enjoy it while it lasts.
Thank you.
God bless you, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you congratulate him down in the comments, because this doesn't happen really often, right? So congratulate him down in the comments, and guys, we'll have another video for you soon. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment. If you're new and you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And guys, everybody, make sure that you turn your post notifications on, all right? So you know every time we drop a new video. Blessings, guys. We'll see you soon. Oh, Jim. Oh, Cha-cha.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.